When do you get time to pursue your hobbies? I find time to pursue my hobbies primarily during the weekends and in the evenings. During the week, my schedule can be quite hectic with work and other commitments, so I make it a point to dedicate specific time slots for my interests. For example, I often reserve Sunday mornings for cooking new dishes by watching YouTube, which helps me relax and experience new tastes. In the evenings, I might watch videos and music for about 2 hours. Meanwhile, I always switch on the radio when I'm at home. I believe it is important to integrate hobbies into my routine, because they provide a much-needed break and recharge my mind.
Vocabulary. Pursue. Meaning, to follow or engage in something with the intention of achieving or attaining it. Synonyms. Chase. Follow. Strive for. Seek. Engage in. Go after. Hobbies. Meaning, activities done regularly for pleasure during one's leisure time. Synonyms. Pastimes. Leisure activities. Interests. Pursuits. Recreations. Hectic. Meaning, full of incessant or frantic activity, very busy and rushed. Synonyms. Busy. Frenzied. Chaotic. Overwhelming. Turbulent. Fast-paced. Time slots. Meaning, specific periods of time allocated for particular activities or events. Synonyms. Time periods. Appointments. Intervals. Scheduled times. Segments. Integrate. Meaning, to combine or bring together different parts to form a whole. Synonyms. Combine. Merge. Unite. Incorporate. Blend. Assimilate.